Hello, my name is Sue. Today I'll be talking about blended learning. To this day, the definition of blended learning has been broad in getting people curiosity to find out what exactly is blended learning. Some authors define it as the integration of almost every learning methods like face-to-face lecture, formal coursework, self-paced, collaboration, online format, and assigned reading, hands-on practices, and so on. Some more narrower definition as the integration of online face-to-face strategies. In order to get narrow discussion for the book, author Hugh and Chong decided to use the definition of Hahn and Staker 2011 that blended learning is any time a student learns at least in part at supervised brick-and-mortar location away from home and at least in part through the internet with some element of student control over time, place, and/or pace. Hahn and Staker 2011 provided that by 2019, blended learning will be approaching the proportion of high school courses offered online up to 50%. To find the right blend framework, there are several models according to Staker. Face-to-face driver. Teacher deliver most of the content face-to-face. Teacher use online learning on case-by-case basis to supplement or remediate learning. Rotation. Students rotate on fixed schedule between learning online in individualized self-paced environment and traditional face-to-face classroom. Online learning component can be remote or on-site in school. The face-to-face teacher usually oversees the online work. Flex feature an online platform that deliver most of the content. Teachers provide on-site support on flexible and as-needed basis through in-person tutoring session and small group lecture. Number 4, online lab uses an online platform to deliver the entire course but in brick-and-mortar lab environment. Online teachers are provided to address student questions about course content. They supervise but offer a little content expertise. 5th is self-blend. Students take online courses to supplement their school curricula. The online courses are always remote. Online driver uses an online platform and teachers that deliver all curricula. Students work remotely for the most part. Face-to-face check-ins are sometimes optional and other time required. Some programs offer participation in face-to-face extracurricular activities. The author confirmed technology integration, which inputting technology in the classroom simply is not considered blended learning. However, if we use technologies like iClicker and document surveys and posted them online forum to have the student discuss about their thoughts and questions, will create student-to-student collaborative thinking. That creates blended learning environment. In this environment, educator can be easily accessible and students also have flexibility and control over their time, pace, and place. Whereas compared to traditional learning, well, it is more of a student-teacher center, while it restricted student self-paced learning. As for online learning environment, even though the student have flexible time, place, and pace, there is no teacher or student or peer-to-peer, face-to-face interaction, which is why the combination of that blended learning makes it a great example. As for my reaction, I believe that this blended learning can be a great learning approach because, as the reading said, the growth of this learning can meet the educational need of the student, especially for adult students. Personally, I know many people who are pursuing higher education while working full part-time jobs, and they get distracted when it is 100% online course while they couldn't make time for in-class course. Therefore, having blended will motivate them to learn at their own convenient time and pace, while they can find some free time to meet with teachers in person, thus creating engaging and interacting discussion. Thank you.